Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making bitter leaf soup. We call it OFE ONUGBU in ANAMBRA. So we are going to be making the main of ONUGBU. Very nice and delicious. So go ahead to wash it thoroughly. This is my first washing, this is my second washing, and I also washed it for the third time. Then I now boiled it. So you have to boil it so that the bitterness should come out. When you see these green things at the edge of the pot, you know that the bitterness is already coming out, you know. Then you sieve it out. You sieve it out. Immediately you finish sieving it, you pour in your cold water, so that the bitterness should not stick on it. Pour in your cold water immediately. Please, if you have not subscribed to my page, please do so. It means the world to me. Thank you. Now I went in, get my stock. Then I went to my pepper and my maggi. I don't use salt to cook for health purposes, so yeah. Then I steamed it. Steamed my meat very well. So when my meat was now soft, I now had to add more water to it so I can go right into cooking. I started cooking. I added my oil, went in with my red oil, went in with my stockfish, my ogiri, then my cocoa yam, and then my ONUGBU. Now you see my soup is now thick. And my soup is ready. Very delicious, very easy and very sweet. Please subscribe. Thank you.